What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're over here. We're about to do another drift video for you guys real quick. You know, I already got the garage open over there. About to turn on the Mustang, the drift stang, in a minute, and then we're gonna go to a spot real quick, and I'm gonna have some outside footage of me drifting again, like in the last video, and hopefully some POV action as well. But that's it. Let's go start the car. Actually, before we do that, let me eat my food first. I keep forgetting to eat. Now I got my coffee right there, you know what I'm saying? And I got me an empanada in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna tear that up real quick, and then we're gonna go start the Mustang up. This is my addiction, coffee. All right, now let's go start the beast up, because you know it's gonna take long to warm up anyways. Might as well get a heads up advantage of starting her up now while we have the chance. There she go. The beaut. Put you guys right here so you can hear that the exhaust real quick, you know what I'm saying? Even though she ain't loud, but you know, you gotta hear something. Like I said, she ain't loud, but you can hear something. Can't even see. But yeah, she ain't loud. Not loud at all. But we did get a package finally that I've been waiting for. So it's something I've been wanting to do to the Mustang for a while, and in here you guys are gonna have to wait to see. 2 packages. Something the car needed, especially for drifting, is good. So yeah, I'm glad I finally got that. You guys are gonna have to wait and see until I open it. It'll be for a video that I actually start installing it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna let the car warm up, and then we'll be on our way. Yeah, so kinda suck news. I want to drift over here in the open for you guys and leave the GoPro on the floor and drift, but there's a lot of people around in Mexico, you know what I'm saying? We're in the Mexico spot. But you can see all the tire marks from last time. They're over there. And the container that I drifted on the last video, if you've seen it. But look at this view though. By the water. Looks amazing. So what I'm gonna do is, since I can't leave I don't want to leave my camera outside drift and then have Mexican police come, I'm just gonna use my freaking my head mount and then record like a POV shot, because yeah, like I was saying, record a POV shot, so basically if somebody comes I could just leave immediately. But hopefully I could get a clip of the car outside later on in the day. But for now, I think the only chance of drifting I got is with my head mount and then just bouncing. Alright, let's get it. Like I said, my bad. I wanted to get like outside footage for you guys, but I don't know I won't be able to today because it's a lot of Mexican policia around, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do this. Close that window. There's a car coming, so let's wait for that car to pass by. Oh, there's a guy in here too. And there's a guy over there, so let's just go this way. Yeah, would I be crazy to just drift in a fucking Toyota parking lot? Would I be crazy enough? And there's security right behind me. a Toyota. Let's wait for that security to pass by real quick. There's a security guard over there, you know, it's Mexican security. They be snitching on the police and shit. Take a real quick look, real quick before we start drifting. Oh damn. Yo, I'm bugging for that shit, dude. I just did that shit in a fucking Toyota dealership. Like that. That's too funny. Alright, let's go straight, fuck it. Let's go straight real quick. Let's see what other spot we can find real quick and do some drift shenanigans with your boy, you know. I gotta go to Honda real quick and pick up some my stuff. I'm about to go to Honda real quick, pick up some stuff, and then we catch up back. Gotta pick up my plates. So yeah, let me do that real quick, and then we go back to our shenanigans. Yeah, look how beautiful this shit is. I'm gonna drift around this whole shit one day. Not today, obviously, because you know. I ain't trying to get in trouble right now. You know what I'm saying? Mexico, there's definitely Mexico police patrol here. So, yeah, but we are going to be drifting over here somewhere. Just want to show you guys how beautiful it is over here, this park. In Mexico. You know what I'm saying? So I found this circle for you guys, and that I'm about to drift for you guys. It started raining, so I gotta kind of hurry up and go home because the back windshield is not really connected yet, because I haven't fixed that yet. So I want to put the GoPro outside, but for some reason there's people there in Mexico. So I'm just gonna drift around the roundabout for you guys real quick. Hurry up and get home. But I want to get a little bit more drift footage for you guys real quick, you know. I don't really like drifting in the daytime. It's like it's more clear for you guys to see and stuff, but it's hard to find spots. I'm literally driving around for like 2 hours just to try to drift, and I only got like two clips for you guys. That's how hard it is to find spots without Mexico police interrupting. Yeah, nighttime is easy. I could literally just go to like one of the 10 spots that I always go to, and then there's nobody there, and I can just do my thing. But the daytime, no bueno, no freaking bueno, man. There's people everywhere watching. Like, holy shit! I'm gonna stick to nighttime. I'm gonna be the night drifter, man. I only gotta go in the daytime if I have like somebody with me, somebody to like follow me and record from outside, because that's the only way. But right now I'm gonna try to drift behind this thingy over here. Let's see if there's anybody over here. Hopefully no freaking car comes flying through this way. Nope. Alright, he's still getting his Dunkin' Donuts. How about over here? patrol, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing my own Mexican patrol right now. Real quick, before I even start drifting. Then I'm gonna go straight home because it's starting to drizzle. Security guard here. Security don't even know what the fuck this happened. He's over here looking like, what the fuck? Alright, you guys, I'm back. We're back home, as you can see. We got the Accord over there in the front. We're in the garage chilling. Yeah, sadly I didn't get to do a you know, outside footage of me drifting and shit because, you know, in the daytime there's too many people looking, and I just trying to avoid problems right now. I don't want to have no problems, nobody calling the cops and Mexican cops and shit like that to try to come find me and shit. So I'll try to keep it in locations that I know and feel comfortable with. So that's why I only drifted in 3 spots, as you can see in the video. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, I drifted in a Toyota dealership parking lot. So that's one crazy thing I did today, at least, because that's something that not a lot of people would do. But I hope you guys liked the video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more because I'm always going to be posting drifting videos. That's what I'm about right now.